Hey guys, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Today I am here to show you my fantastic Easter bunny butt cake, complete with so many edible decorations that I don't even know where to start. From hand-painted fondant with buttercream grass, a copycat recipe for vegan Cadbury cream eggs nestled inside a white chocolate coconut nest, and then everyone's favorite, the bunny butt. So let's jump into this right away and first get to the building of the cake. Now you can use any recipes for cake and filling, of course, but today I'm using chocolate and vanilla layers with peanut butter cream and fudge filling spiraled together. So not only has this Easter cake got my favorite candy, the Cadbury cream eggs, which we'll get to in a minute, but the actual cake tastes just like a Reese's peanut butter cup, or actually more like a Tandy cake. Who remembers those? So I'm covering my cake in fondant so that I can get really creative with the decoration on this one. By dipping your brush into some vodka and then into the gel paste color, you can paint directly onto the fondant. With no worry about the alcohol though, because it really does just evaporate off, leaving behind only the food color. I will say that when I didn't try to be so perfect about the painting, it went way better. Here on my first strokes, I was really trying to be so perfect, and well, it came out just the opposite, not so perfect. So my advice to you here would be just go for it, don't overthink it, and it'll probably come out really great. Now just leave that cake to chill for a bit while we make the other decorations. First, the bunny butt out of fondant, and it's really easy because it's just a big old bunny butt. It doesn't get any easier than this. Model some feet and then pink for the puffy tail and the toe pads. Alexa, how many toes does a bunny have?
A rabbit has 18 toes.
Wow, 18. I'm not making 18. Now for the white chocolate coconut nest, and this is simply melted vegan white chocolate with unsweetened coconut flakes. These sweetened ones would really just be too sweet with all that sugar that's already in the white chocolate. Add a touch of green food color, and then I place it into a small bowl that I've lined with plastic wrap and then just let that set. I'm also making a well in the center so that it'll hold my eggs later on. Now, I did make a separate tutorial for how to make the vegan Cadbury cream eggs recipe, so you can go ahead and check that out if you feel like you want to add those to your cake as well. Alright, now let's get the rest of this cake decorated. I am carving a hole in the side, the same size as my bunny butt, and you can better believe that I ate that piece faster than you can say bunny butt. Spread a little bit of the peanut butter cream into the hole, and I had some cake scraps from another project that I ground up to look like dirt, and I just kind of pushed that inside the hole and spread that around a little bit. Add the burrowing bunny, and then decorate the bottom border with a green buttercream grass. Some royal icing flowers and jelly beans too. And I'll link to everything that I used, and all the recipes are below this video, so just click the links below. Now to finish off the top decor, my white chocolate coconut nest is set. I can add my Cadbury cream eggs, and then I just wanted to stick on more cake dirt around the bottom of the nest. And here's where I just didn't know how far I wanted to take this decoration. I was going to stop here and write Happy Easter in the empty space, but I'm glad I went for the whole top being covered because, well, I think it turned out really awesome. I loved it so much I didn't even want to cut it, so I actually waited an extra day just so that I could look at it every once in a while in the refrigerator. But then when I did cut it, the inside design looked really cool. So I hope you'll want to recreate this one this year for your Easter gathering. If so, head over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab all the recipes. Be sure to check out how to make the copycat Cadbury cream egg recipe too. And, well, thanks to everyone for checking out my video. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe here to my channel for more great recipes weekly. Until next time, happy vegan baking and happy Easter. Bye for now.